up YouTube? Working on the exhaust today. I was going to run this muffler here, but I didn't want to be super ricer. Plus that's like almost 2 3/4 pipe or 3 inch, yeah, something like that. But yeah, and then this hokiness of mismatch flanging. So I had to cut these out and grind this, and it probably won't seal. I was going to use that pipe, but I'm not. So you'll see it on later videos. There's my rabbit. And then I totally didn't realize I got texture all over the seat. No, at least I'm not using the seat. So let's cut to the videos of me making the super cheap Pep Boys / whatever the hell was under the Miata muffler. So Pep Boys is going out of business, so I bought whatever they had. Here's the muffler that came on the Miata. Here's some 2-inch pipies and a flexi joint. And then the flanges that were on the exhaust don't match each other. So I'm just going to weld this straight to the one down pipe and make a hanger, and then maybe a second hanger, and then go from there. So then I bought the universal hanger kit, which I trimmed down, and it'll fit right where one of the e-brake is with this guy, and then hang this down to the muffler, and then probably run a 45 right off the tip, because I don't have the time or want to spend the money for all the 90s and 45s it'll take to zigzag and have the exhaust come out. Just have me take this out later. So I want proof of concept first before I blow the money to make it go. But yeah, Pep Boys is being bought out by, I forget who they said it was, but at least the one by my house, they're having a 50% off on everything. All sales are final, but hey, I mean, I bought 3 of those guys, the clamp and something else, and usually those pipes are like 10-12 bucks a pop, so I got them at $6 a pop, so not bad. But anyways, let's cut to the next scene of this thing in the car. So here's my exhaust, the flex joint, that's 2x8. Well, that was 2x18. That one's 2x18. Factory muffler and this god awful, ugly half-ass turn down I made. And then there's my bracket hanging off the e-brake. Then I made another one. Where'd it go? Over here off of that one. I don't know what I did with the thingamajiggies, but it allows me to still take it on and off. And then let me switch angles. And here's the other bracket. See, bolts right on. No focus. Ugly turn down. Yes, I got more than enough clearance. At least it aims the exhaust somewhat down. Shouldn't melt anything, I hope. But this is just to, you know, get it going and not be deafening loud and sounding super ricer, because I was trying to use the factory guy there, but I don't have the flanges. And then I was gonna put the flange there, but once again, don't have the flanges. So for the most part, the exhaust goes straight, and that offset muffler is left or right, and then left or right. So they're not both on the same side. They're opposing side entrance exits. It would have been nicer if I had a side entrance middle. That way I may put it up and under or the axle, but whatever. Should be quite enough for me to run this as is. I have the gas pedal hooked up, the clutch hooked up, the brakes hooked up, the e-brakes hooked up. I ordered a coupler 2.5 to 2 3/4, so I could put a little 45 here, bring it down, and hang this guy kind of like this right here. Feel me? But the box has the right part number, but inside the box was the wrong part with the wrong label, or anyways, with a 2 3/4 to 3-inch adapter, which I already had. So hopefully the eBay seller will send me the new one. But yeah, I'm down to pretty much wiring. The fuel tank's in and glued and bolted in. All the bolts are in. I still need to make that one little doohickey for this to bolt here, and then that sits like that, and should be golden. And then dust the car because it looks filthy, and then I guess rub some of this extra silicone off because I sealed the gas tank to the frame with easy to peel off silicone. Keeps the moisture out, keeps the fumes out, keeps the headaches away. I don't know if you ever had carbon monoxide poisoning, but it ain't pretty. I used to have a 67 Nova, and the header would leak all the time, or the manifold would leak all the time. I used to get gnarly headaches. But anyways, so that is where I'm at right now. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and until next time, peace out.